Hi friends, it's Cheryl from the Lifestyle Digs, and today I'm leaving Pamplona and I'm walking up a big hill called the Alto del Perdon, and at the top of the hill is the monument to pilgrims. And what goes up must come down. Descending the hill at the Alto del Perdon, it was a lot of loose rocks in all kinds of shapes and sizes, and it was kind of precarious. And you guessed it, my knees started to give out again. I managed to limp my way into Puente la Reina, and then I relaxed in a hammock at my albergue for the evening. When I left Puente la Reina, I was feeling good, but unfortunately, the first downhill killed my knees, and I ended up limping the rest of the way into Estella. I did see a doctor there, and she said I could continue walking the Camino de Santiago, and she did give me a prescription for Ibuprofen 600. Yay me! Rocking my knee braces, and only 661 more kilometers to go to Santiago. Woohoo!